Here comes another lesson in Urdu learning. Today we are going to learn how to make a word by joining two letters, and the second letter is going to be छोटी ये. छोटी ये यानी हरूफ को छोटी ये से मिलाकर बनाना. We are going to join छोटी ये with different letters of Urdu and going to make them into words. Like when we join छोटी ये with te, it becomes ti. Like in the word करती ती, ते छोटी ये ती, हे छोटी ये ही, सीन छोटी ये सी, रे छोटी ये री, दाल छोटी ये तोए छोटी ये ती, काफ छोटी ये की. Let's do it again. ते छोटी ये ती. This is not written very nicely. It can be written even better. Let me write it for you. It should be like ती. Then हे छोटी ये ही, सीन छोटी ये सी, रे छोटी ये री, तोए छोटी ये ती, काफ छोटी ये की. So this is the lesson for today. Thank you for listening. Good day. Have a good